One of the things that I love most about this home is what you see when you look out the windows. You see beautiful bay water views. There's also a very serene marsh preserve and a convenient waterfront trail.
And what I love best is that this is an end unit. There's no buildings behind, there are no buildings in front. And when you look around, you see blue sky, so you really feel like you're in a single family home.
This really is the best home on Silva Island. It's private, it's quiet, it's got the largest floor plan and the most amount of natural light.
Here you get the best of both worlds. Elegant living paired with the ease of HOA managed exteriors, beautiful landscaping, and resort style amenities, including a pool, a spa, and a clubhouse.
Many buyers haven't discovered Silva Island yet. It's this peaceful waterfront enclave tucked away from it all, yet minutes from the 101, great restaurants and shopping in Mill Valley and Tiburon, trails, and an easy commute to the city. It's a true hidden gem. I'm Jennifer Glassman.
And I'm Marcia m.skall of j.glassman at Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty.
Give us a call if you'd like to learn more about this beautiful property.